Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to share with you a special treat called the Griwech. Put a half a cup of warm water and half teaspoon of saffron, mix it and put it aside. This is we need it for coloring. Now we need 4 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, half cup and 1 tablespoon of melted butter and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it very well with your fingers until the butter gets into the flour between your palms. See how? Add 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Add saffron water, make sure strain it. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 7 tablespoons of warm milk, a little bit warm. Add a little by little. Don't add it at once. Every time you add, you knead it. Cover it and leave it for 15 minutes and then knead it for a minute or 2 and put it in the refrigerator for an hour. Now I took it from the refrigerator after 1 hour. See? Cut it in half. Cover the half so it doesn't get dry, either with the plastic or with the cloth. Now we're gonna roll up this dough with a roller. Keep rolling it. Add the flour on the counter and make sure it doesn't stick for you. Just keep rolling it all the way. It has to be very thin. Now you fold it in 3. You're gonna roll it a little bit. Put it aside. Make sure cover it so it doesn't dry. And do the same to the second one. Same process. Now we're gonna make syrup. I put here 1 cup of sugar, half lemon juice. Put it aside. And the other pot, I add 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water. Dissolve the sugar with the water. And let it boil. When it reaches to boiling point, start counting to 5 minutes and turn it off. Now work on the sugar until it gets to this consistency. Don't let it get hard. It has to be liquidy so you can add it to the other syrup. See how? Now I'm adding it to the other syrup. You have to mix while you're adding the sugar. Now leave it boiled for a minute. Add rose water or blossom water. I prefer blossom water. And let it boil like a minute. See how it turns? Very nice color. Now we work on the dough. Spread some flour on the counter and start spreading the dough all over. Make sure it has to be skinny, very thin. It's very See how you can work with it very easy. It's not sticky, it's not hard, very hard, so it's beautiful. Now just make the shape straight. See? Cut it 7 by 6. That's how I do it. If you want it small, smaller than mine, it's okay. You can do it smaller. Cut it in the middle, even cut, so you can fold it in half. See, fold it now. I'm showing you slowly. See how? In half. Fold it again in half. Now make sure in the middle, spread it and take the end piece on the top, inside out. Just shake it. Now cut the edges the way I'm doing it right now. You can use a knife or anything, any shape you want. Press on the sides. Make sure press good so it doesn't open. Just place it on the tray and keep doing the same thing, the same process until you fill up the tray. Make sure cover it so it doesn't get dry. So you can make big pieces, small pieces, doesn't matter. Now we're gonna start frying. Set the stove to medium heat. Make sure the oil is not too hot because you're gonna cook the outside and the inside stays raw. See, now I finished frying them. Now we're gonna dip the cookies in the syrup. Make sure the syrup is room temperature, not hot. Top with some sesame seed. Bam, my cookies are ready. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Thank you.